Here are 25 funniest fails in sports. Before we continue, don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. Casey Cheney and Joe Cottle were both heavyweights in a boxing fight, but Cheney knocked Cottle and literally sent him outside the ring.
Cottle is wobbly. Is he gonna go down? Oh my goodness! Oh, and out of the ring goes Cottle head first.
Maria Sharapova accidentally drops the lid of the trophy on her head while celebrating. This triple jump athlete looked disappointed when she failed to beat the world and meet record. Jackson Strong was doing a snowmobile stunt. He only practiced for 4 hours and things didn't go as planned.
Stuck open there on Jackson's sled when he hit the deck.
Thomas had his teeth knocked out accidentally from his opponent's elbow. The camera caught it in slow motion.
Cross, and you'll see the tooth come flying out of his mouth. There it is. Goes down to the floor, obviously, and when it's stopped, picks up the tooth and brings it over to the bench. The new smile for Isaiah Thomas.
The onside kick never looked so horrendous when NFL player Chris Boswell attempted a Rabona kick on the football.
Ravens respond. That thing went half a yard, then he just drills it down the field. Penalties are down.
That is a swing and a miss. When he just comes up, I don't know if he just...
No, this
is asking a little too much. He was trying to show that he was kicking it to waiting to happen. He's going to try and kick it with his right foot.
Yeah, he got a little...
What's that?
During a cheerleading routine, one of the girls' wigs suddenly fell off. I don't know if it's more embarrassing than their routine though. During a game-winning celebration, the whole railing collapsed and caused a big mess. Luckily, no one was hurt. During a shot put contest, Kendall Williams accidentally hit the cameraman in the crotch in her attempt for shot putting.
Hur gick det där? Williams stöter kula rakt på fotografen.
Polanco slips and appears to injure himself, costing his team the whole game.
And he slips! Polanco falls down!
This Atlanta Braves security guard had a rough day when this happened to him in an attempt to stop a fan in a post-game interview. Poor sound guy got caught in the wrong place at the wrong time when the Vikings players were marching out of the tunnel after halftime, and an unfortunate thing happened.
Is everything. Linval Joseph in the pregame introduction with a trip to Lenscraft.
Cole Metz was doing very well in the 2019 IPF World Classic until he did this.
Cole Metz.
I thought 265 might be a big ask anyways. I was assuming it was a placeholder.
Oh no, I think that was just a little too much.
Yep, and I think we saw the end of Metz's 59-kilo run. That's definitely a...
In a hockey game, the puck got lost in the goaltender's equipment, so the referees had to help him locate it.
Get the fans frustrated. I can't find the puck. There it is. Just popped out.
Greek Soccer League may have the worst medics ever. When a Greek player got injured, the medics were of no help as they continuously dropped the player on their way out of the pitch. A Puerto Rico FC player was too invested in stopping a goal from happening that he didn't see the goalpost and suffered a painful collision in an attempt to slide tackle the attacker.
Onside, he's onside. Zidane, goal. Goal. Zidane, goal. Goal.
Russian President Vladimir Putin was invited to an ice hockey match, which he was enjoying, but that joy was turned into embarrassment because of this. Berlino, the 2009 Berlin Athletic World Championships mascot, decided to give Jamaican runner Melina Walker a piggyback ride, but he crashed into a stack of hurdles while doing it.
And she was put under pressure by a run of absolute ferocity by the Jamaican.
Whoopsie daisy, she's slipping down a bit. Oh my goodness. Well, that was the first failure by the bear. Dear me.
He tried to pick me up, but I'm like, I'm having fun.
NFL player Jay Ajayi got tackled by the opponents because he ran too slow. He came to the sideline and said this.
At the 30, the 20, and tackled at the 15.
You slow as
They're gonna know my speed on Madden.
Yeah, you about to be a 70 on Madden.
I look like I was moving those.
No.
Go 30. Go 30.
I'll hook the trailer. Show slow ass. That's a damn shame. You would embarrass me.
In a mixed double tennis match, Jelena Ostapenko accidentally did this to her partner while serving the ball. English cricketer Andrew Strauss decimated his own glasses in an attempt to throw the ball to the keeper. His glasses popped out of his head and went into the trajectory of the ball.
Dig would eat your heart out. Watch this. Boing. What are the odds on that?
Jockey Louis Ferguson fell over his horse while it was jumping over a hurdle. Luckily for him, he didn't sustain any injuries.
Stay on, down towards the last. Merrion Square wandering around and looking to chip the rider. Oh, and Louis Ferguson takes a horrible fall. Coombe Hill out in front.
Memorial Open Hunter Steeplechase.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to give a like if you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.